Valor PayTech is redefining fuel payments with innovative technology. Our fleet card feature ensures quick, secure, and hassle-free transactions for businesses in the petroleum industry. Designed for the petroleum industry, our fleet card functionality enables effortless transactions, allowing businesses to focus on efficiency and service. With secure processing, real-time tracking, and customization. Managing fuel transactions has never been this effortless. Manage fuel products effortlessly with a dedicated dashboard. Log into the Valor portal and navigate to the fleet section. You can find the products, product types, and the product category in the fleet section. Using a Valor point-of-sale terminal, drivers simply insert their fleet card, enter their PIN, and complete a secure transaction within seconds. Our fleet card feature is seamlessly integrated with the VL500 and VL550 point-of-sale terminals, offering reliable high-speed processing for fuel payments, powered by FD bypass processor for secure and efficient transactions. Simplify fleet payments with Valor PayTech, smarter solutions for a seamless payment experience. Connect with us today.